Welcome to the unboxing and assembly of Tesco Pioneer F. First, cut open the shipping straps, and then proceed to open the box. Inside, you will find a small box. Remove the protective packaging. Now let's open the small boxes to see what's in them. Inside the box, you'll find pedals, cable ties, the charger, saddle, tools, and a manual. To install the front wheel, first lay down the bike and remove the hub axle from the front fork. Lift the front of the bike. Carefully align the wheel with the disc brake properly. Insert hub axle. Use hex wrench to tighten the axle. To mount the handlebar, remove the protector, set the handlebar in place, and screw in the protector again. Use a hex wrench to tighten the side screw after aligning the handlebar and front wheel. Next, install the headlight using the screw in the front fork. Adjust the headlight to a right angle. Release the quick release. Attach seat post and tighten again. Let's install the pedals. Check the pedals for L and R stickers and mount them on the right sides. Use wrench to tighten pedal. Repeat the same procedure on the other side. Charging port is located on the side of the bike. Let's turn on the e-bike using the power button and check how it works. By pressing the plus and minus button, you can adjust the pedal assist from 1 to 5. Check the throttle is working. Use lever to shift gears. Press the light button to check the headlight. Great! The bell works as well. Set the front suspension to your liking and test by pressing it down to see that it works as expected. We are done! Enjoy your ride!